demonstration of mobius strip. So first thing is just to demonstrate the difference between a one-sided piece of paper and a two-sided piece of paper. So a regular piece of paper, if you want to draw a line all the way around it, you have to draw, and then to get to the other side, flip it over and draw. It has two sides. Okay. A mobius strip, on the other hand, you take your same strip of paper, graph side, plain side, make it into a loop, but instead of the same side, you give it a half twist, so you have plain side, graph side coming together. Tape, tape, tape. This is your one-sided mobius strip. Now the best way to show that is in order to draw a single line on the graph side and the plain side, easier if you draw on the inside, you just start somewhere and draw. And then you meet back up with your own line, and you can see that you've drawn on the plain side and the graph side without ever having to flip the paper over. This is a one-sided object. Now, quick demonstration. You take this, tape it together. So it's just a regular loop. You can ask the kids what will happen if you cut down that center line. Cut, cut, cut. Two separate rings. So then ask them what will happen when you cut your mobius strip, your one-sided object, in half down that center line. Have them guess. Cut, cut. You end up with one ring. Okay, these are the only two demonstrations you have to do. If you have an interested group, or you have some time at the end that you want to show some kids some stuff, here are a couple of different options you can do. You can either make another mobius strip, or you can make a loop with a full twist. So, plain sides together, plain side and graph side, continue to twist it. So you have a twisty one, but plain side to plain side. So the full twist loop is pretty fun. You just cut down the center like you did with the other ones. Linked rings, each with a full twist. The last one is a little crazier and works best for older kids. Now, the last time we cut the mobius strip, we cut it right down the center. This is a little trickier. This time you only go about a third of the way in and start cutting around the edge. Cut, cut, cut. This is important. When you get to the place where you meet your cut, don't go over to meet up to it. That's just like doing the first demonstration. Instead, continue to cut along your 1/3 in. Ta-da! So you still get to keep your mobius strip, and then you have this big long strip with 1.5 twists in it. And they're linked together. And then there's all sorts of variations where you can cut these. You continue to make crazy chains with this one. All sorts of things the kids can take home. So, it's really only the first two that are essential.